Some backpacker meals for cheap. We're looking at spending 15. We're paying 15 euros for all this food, and we're gonna make some beef stew today.
We've got a few nice ingredients. We've got cauliflower, onions, beef, carrots, garlic, potatoes, and some beans in the
We have
order.
a secret ingredient for later.
All the way from Zimbabwe.
Cheeky chile.
That's how we like it. For those of you who don't know how to cut stuff, just put it all out there and just fucking go rogue. We're not about presentation here, we're about volume. You pick stuff from the store and you mix it. This is a success. It's planning for many meals ahead.